Yo, what's happening everyone? Hope everybody's doing well. I want to show you a simple computer table, desk, whatever you want to call it, that you can buy for really cheap on Amazon. I'm going to show you with one hand how this works, okay? Literally just snaps on, snaps off, okay? The table itself comes off, so I'm doing it with one hand, but it can be done with two hands. Should be done with two hands, but there it is. The table itself. So the top part is just the table. It comes right off, snaps on, has these snap-ons that you just push down on the bars. I'm going to lift this up. I'm in the process of moving, so now I'm going to take my table apart, and it's literally just two sections. You close them in. That's how simple it is. You can take it with you on the go, and boom, it's done. That's how simple this table is. It is two pieces. That's all it is. Two pieces, guys. Can't go wrong with this. I'll put the link in the description, but there's actually two different tables. I bought this one a year ago. The one that's out now, the newer version has a bar that goes across here, and you can hang some things that you want to hang with some hooks, but either one is just as good. This one was $50. The newest one I see now is $40, $10 cheaper, and it comes with the bar to hang. Same concept though, two pieces. Literally just open these swing arms up and just grab your table. Put your table on top. These bars right here, push it down on the bars. And all you gotta do is push down, snaps right in place. I'm doing this one-handed, so if I can do this one-handed, definitely tells you something about the product. Boom. There's your table.